In this video, we're gonna create a Testbench file for this lab final. So the good practice, first of all, is to set this final as top level entity so we don't forget it, and then create a new Verilog file and then save it as Testbench lab final. But now it's good to use the code for the structural one, Testbench, since they're almost similar. So if you open the code for structural, just copy it, all of it, paste it here, and then we need to change here. It should be final. And then we need the model, so we know what we are instantiating. So here we have most of the things. We have X, sum, and this output. So let's first declare their output. They are single bit. So we have all of this one here. All of those are test benches. So test bench. And then we need the control. We have it, but we need select. So we need to create tselect, testbench select. So for X we have X, and then we have so we have those, and then down here we need to check that we have the checkings which model we are using, if we are using behavioral or structural. So we can check that with if statement here. So if t select is 1, so we're gonna check that we're gonna display that we have the for example, we're gonna display that the behave structural model is selected. And here we're gonna display and here we're gonna display behavioral model selected. And then we need to, for example, make initial for select. So we're gonna start with 1, which is behavioral. And then down here we need to make some modification too, and make sure that we are showing what we want to show. For example, in this case we don't have the TS, because here we have some, so we need to change here to some. And down here we don't need to display all of it. You can just say some. Then we can have like all the digits here. So we're gonna have here 4 digits. Which is this one, and then we need to have all our T's from A to G, so we're gonna display them 2. So if we push them between, so we're going to display between summation and subtraction, between overflow bit and carry out. So if we have it here, so here we need to have all, for example, A, and make space for B, C, D, B, C, D, E, F, and G. So make a space between those two so we can show them. So this one is the same as this, so you just copy this here and change this one too. But here plus. Okay. So let's save it and try to analyze and see if you see we have some error. Okay, we have some error here, line 12 and 13. Okay, we see that this dot should be there. Then we need to have this one as well. Save it, advanced size. We have another error here. It says 68. Yeah, TS. It's supposed to be sum. So sum is supposed to be sum here and sum here. Save it again. Try to analyze and set its size. Okay. It looks like we don't have any errors. So let us simulate this on the next video.